Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wave accounting for subscriptions and invoices. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Wave accounting for subscriptions and invoices, start by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the home page of your Wave dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Invoices. Once in the Invoices section, look for the Create an Invoice button and click on it. In the invoice creation window, fill in the necessary details such as customer name and invoice items. Next, locate the recurring option, which is typically found below the payment terms. Toggle the recurring option to enable it. Set the frequency of the subscription, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Specify the start date for the recurring subscription. Next, enter any necessary end date or the number of occurrences for the subscription. Proceed to add any discounts or adjustments if applicable. Review all the invoice details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button to finalize the invoice setup. You should now see a confirmation indicating that the invoice has been saved as a recurring invoice. To manage your subscriptions, return to the Invoices section. Click on Recurring Invoices to view a list of all your active subscriptions. Here, you can edit or deactivate any subscriptions as needed. You have successfully enabled Wave accounting for subscriptions and invoices. Now, your customers will receive their invoices automatically based on the set frequency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.